morning. It is 6:59 on the 2nd of June and it is my birthday. Sorry, excuse my face, but I thought I would vlog my birthday because I have some exciting things to show you, but also because I kind of just wanted to be like, yep, that was my 23rd birthday and look back at this vlog. I don't have too much on today. I'm going to be working. Tonight I'm going for dinner with Steven. I have some things on during the week and also going away next weekend to the Blue Mountains with all my friends. So I thought I would vlog that. We're still like semi in isolation. A lot of the restrictions got lifted yesterday, which means that we can like go get our nails done and like go to a restaurant with more than 10 people. So that's pretty good. I'm gonna go put on some makeup because I feel like people might call me, so I have to look like somewhat presentable. But I'll just take you along on my day. Okay, so this is the final outfit. I am obsessed with this knit. I wore it in my other video. It's like this balloon sleeve knit that I got from Billy J Boutique. It's an online boutique. I just put some earrings in and then just a classic working from home bottoms. Just have some Uggs and leggings on.
Hey!
Hi, I miss you.
What are you up to?
I literally just woke up. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning.
Wait, but like, why do you look so good right now?
Because people might Zoom call me. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog.
You're a regular on my channel.
I know.
Are we gonna be on the vlog?
If you want.
Happy birthday!
Can you sing me Paw Patrol?
Papa Chow, Papa Chow, and I got to go. Hi guys, welcome back to my auntie's channel. This isn't my channel.
Do you have a channel?
Yeah,
What's your channel?
Blatchy TV.
Yep. I'll put the link right here.
Yeah.
Good morning, Taylor.
Happy birthday. Look, the first thing I do when I wake up is wish you a happy birthday. Go away.
Look who came to see me.
Alright, cut.
They're so pretty. Got some PJs and then balloons. It's dinner time and Steven is taking me to Brazilian churrasco. They look so cute. Look at those shoes. Oh, it's so cold. It is all you can eat meat. And all I ate today was cake. And I had about 5 cakes. It was great. Thank you. Hello. Hi. We are at my birthday dinner. Yeah. We're at Teppanyaki with all the Tiffany girls. Say hello. Hi. Yeah, like. Oh my god, you guys are so cute.
Like by yourself. Watch YouTube.
Big fire here. Get 3, 2.
Oh my god!
You catch empty ball first, and then you catch your leg inside your ball. 3, 2, 1, get it! 3, 2, 1, get it! Well done! 3, 2, 1, get it! Well done! Get another one, get another one! Wow!
This one's the best.
3, 2, 1, oh no! Alright, happy birthday!
Thank you. Good morning. It is 8:47 on Monday the 8th of June and we are about to go on a road trip. It's a long weekend here in Sydney, so I decided to rent an Airbnb for me and a bunch of my friends in the Blue Mountains, which is like 1 hour away from Sydney, and we're gonna stay there for 2 nights. So it's gonna be really fun. We haven't been able to like really do anything together because of the whole COVID restrictions, but they lifted that last week, so it's like perfect timing. It's really cold. It's gonna be even colder in the Blue Mountains. It might even snow, so I'm excited because I'm just getting away and doing something fun with my friends. I had a really good week for my birthday. I honestly felt so loved. There were just so many deliveries to my door and like so many surprises and flowers. My room is like literally a florist. But apparently that can be bad for you if you have too many flowers in your room, so maybe it's good that I'm going away. Stephen is currently filling up the car. We're gonna go and buy a few of the things that we're gonna need for the trip. He brought his drone as well, which will be fun. I don't know how good the shots will be because he just got it, but it'll be fun anyway. We've like planned like a really good menu, and we have some champagne and we're gonna have drinks, and yeah, it should be a fun time. So I'll take you with me. Hi babe.
Hey yo, what is up guys?
Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Woohoo! Look who it is! Oh my god, stop! Guys, this is massive!
Whoa! Oh my god. Damn.
Oh my gosh!
Spring break!
Oh my goodness!
Wow. How did it come to me?
Wow!
Yeah.
Look at these mirrors!
It smells like, it looks like.
Oh my gosh!
Yes, sir. Crazy.
Oh gosh!
Oh, this cat's getting low.
Look at that! Tay, where are you? I've lost you! Michele! Tay!
If you guys are loyal subscribers, you remember her from the K barbecue mukbang video.
So it's now Tuesday afternoon. It's our second day here, and I'm like still in awe of this place. Like, look at my bedroom. We had a really fun night last night. We made ribs, which was so good, and then we had some wine and some drinks, and now we kind of had a bit of a sleep in, so we skipped our breakfast, which we were gonna make brioche French toast, but I think we'll save that for tomorrow. Now we're just cooking some White Castle burgers. So we found this like recipe on YouTube. We're kind of having like a bit of a foodie experimentation at this place, and it's actually going really well. I'll show you outside. It's so beautiful. It's like autumn, it's like winter now, but it's kind of like still falling leaves. So I'll just show you. Isn't it so nice? It was raining last night, but the house was actually so warm. So we actually opened the window to have a bit of a breeze, which was really nice. It's a very relaxing birthday trip, which is good. We went to Micheleraee yesterday, which I think is like a must if you go to the Blue Mountains, because it has just like a lot of cute cafes, and like they're famous for scones and meat pies. So we had some of those. They were like amazing. I will try film some more of today, us eating and doing all that fun stuff. So yeah, I hope you're enjoying the vlog. This is an amazing Airbnb. If you guys want to stay here, I will link it down. It's like, it's so grand, but just so beautiful. Like the woodwork and all the stones you can see are just incredible. So yeah, if you're coming to the Blue Mountains, definitely stay here. How's it going, babe?
It's all good. My eyes hurt. I'm gonna cry. Gotta show them the big cutes.
So then Jake prepared these last night, and we had to roll it out and then put all the holes in it so that when you put it on top of the onions, it gets all steamy. So we have come back to Lura to have the meat pies again. It's so pretty. It's like so misty and foggy. It's like real winter vibes here. So everyone is walking. It was honestly the best time. We had like 2 full days there, 2 really nice warm nights. It was good. This is a little scone place. That looks good as well. Bakehouse on Wentworth. Let's go. Oh yeah.
The definite winner is
Bacon?
I got bacon. One bacon.
So it's raining, so we have to eat our pies
Yeah.
inside.
Hello.
I want to eat this one. It's a little cat. So cheesy and bacony. Is it good, babe?
You know what?
What?
You know, it's got the tomato based inside. It's like pizza sort of.
Exactly. Here he goes again.
With the cheese.
Mm.
It does.
What it like? Yeah, well, half.
Which one do you want?
You know what I want. You know I love this.
How's it like sour? Like it. Keep going, it's going away.
So we are finally back in Sydney. It wasn't actually a long drive coming home. It was about like an hour, and we made a little detour. We're going to David Jones in the city to finally get my birthday present. Babe. We just left Dior, and look at the bag, it has a little raincoat. He won't let me take it home because he wants to wrap it first, but I'm gonna have to do an unboxing video of these because I've been wanting them for so long, so stay tuned for that. I guess we have to end the vlog here, babe.